New Marshmello single just dropped. It's called Okay Not to Be Okay, and I'm going to teach you how to play it on guitar. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So this entire song is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is an A major bar chord. So you're going to bar the 5th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the G string. Next is a C sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 4th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 5th fret of the B string. Next is a B major chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 4th fret. And then last is a G sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 4th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the D string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the lead. So for this, we're going to start on the 9th fret of the G string, and you're going to hammer on to the 11th fret of the G string with your ring finger. You're going to pluck it 4 more times. Then 9th fret G string, 9th fret B string, 9th fret G string. Then you're going to do the hammer on again. 9th fret B string, 11th fret G string, then the hammer on again. 9th fret B string, 9th fret G string again, then 9th fret G string. You're going to hammer onto the 11th fret, then pluck it twice. 9th fret G string, then 12th fret B string, and you're going to pull off to the 9th fret of the B string, then 12th fret B string again, and you're going to pull off to the 10th fret of the B string, then pull off to the 9th fret. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Okay Not to Be Okay. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section, and subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.